grade 6, 7, 8. How to draw color pencil, use nature drawing, particularly beach view. That's today's topic. So listen children, you right now take over chart paper, color pencils, keep it safely in your nearest place, then workout will start. That is a very good idea. Then I will let's start right now. Draw the first landscape guideline. What's mean the landscape? Landscape means, left hand side 15 centimeter, that's 20 centimeter, same line 15 centimeter, then same line. So this is landscape. Then draw the guideline. That means guideline means one straight line, another one standing line, another one sleeping line. One horizontal and one vertical. This is the two different kinds of guideline. This is the first step. Then go to the drawing first. This is the preparation of first step. Then going to draw. How to draw? So this concept is one beach, one specs is there. The perspective view space on be to the beach. This is the concept. Listen carefully. Mark there as ever like that. That's very important. Then mark. So this is very important. Then one circle, another one. Two different kind of circle. This is the first step. Then convert to the convert to the specs view contact lens. Specs view specs view. This is a second step. Then third step, draw the frame border. Frame. This is the second step. Then left hand side also frame. Flash. Then this is same like that. That's the view is very important. So this is the first step. Draw the specs, one glass, cooling glass or specs glass. Then draw the ground. Okay. Then back side view, boat. Then 1, 3, okay. Then draw that is the beach side, coconut. You like that shade like that. Shade like that. Then also there is a higher level boat. Okay, same like that boat also inside in the view also. Then grass, whatever it is, do like that. It's a basic concept. Then how to do that? Apply the pencil color. I explained everything in detail. Okay, one more time. I will repeat. Landscape, nature, using the color pencil. How to draw, how to make, I will explain. So one more time. Draw the landscape first. 20 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter. Then draw the guideline. Then mark the center. Then left hand side one circle, right hand side another one circle. Then circle connect to the frame view. Then add the frame, whatever it is. Then draw the beach ground. Then long perspective view, boats, some different kind of the sea view. So this is the grade 6, 7, 8, how to draw the beach or nature drawing in the beach view, step by step using the color. Okay children, how to trace and using the marker. First you draw the freehand drawing, no? That beach view of inspects perspective view. So you trace in marker first. Left hand side and right hand side, both side. Trace like that. Then curve lines, frame, glass. Yes. Then back side also view the some different left hand side, and then inside perspective view, glass will be focus on inside. Yes. Then draw the ground. Yeah. This is on the beach view, perspective view, long view. So how to make, how to do, how to draw, how to apply color, some stand and some different kinds of grass in the beach. So this is one of the nature drawing using the color pencil. That is a concept. How to use color pencil. First of all, you draw the pencil drawing first. Freehand, that is a sketch. Actually, this is the first step. Then take any marker or any black sketch pen, draw the outline, trace. Already you draw pencil, no? That is a trace. Then any kind of shading, I mean extra you want, sir, this kind of shading I tried. Okay, very good, super, try. Otherwise just follow the instructions. Color. Your creativity is very good idea. Yeah, you do well that. Then to color. How to the color? Watercolor pencil or any other color pencil. That's very important. The first take a yellow shade background little bit. Left hand, shading technique will be used. You hold on pencil like that only, off. Just one left hand side and right hand side, the center the both finger like that hold. Then shading will be left to right and right to left. That technique you used, that time shading will be well perfectly come. Okay, then just don't use full strength, little bit light and shade. Some places will be light shade, some places will be dark shade. So left right you combination to quick and left to right you shading like that. That technique will be you follow. Okay, then take the green color, background will be another one, green tea or some tree. Okay, that is our choice. That is using the green color. Shading technique, see the picture carefully. Already some difference how to handle the pencil. That is a very important. And ground also little bit apply the green color. Then shading background little bit light blue. What kind of color? Light blue. That is a sea color water. Yeah. Inside apply the light blue color. Then left hand side also same. Apply the light color. First 1 or 2 times you little bit shading will be very difficult. Once you learn something in the shading technique, it's very easy actually. Okay, so you try to your best. You think a positive mind and do like that. Shading technique will follow my instructions. That time you perfectly come to the picture will be off. After the finishing the shading, picture will be perfectly very good. So you follow my instructions of techniques. Yeah, then you try to in your best. That's my advice. Okay, thank you, children. Then using the ground also some different color. Another one brown, not a slight brown shadish color. That is the sand, beach sand colors. Okay, then don't use strong strokes. That means you want to actually this is a left to right combination shading technique. So don't do up and down. I mean horizontal or straight line. Don't do cross and round shading. Don't do like that. That picture. This is a view of only landscape perspective view. So please using the pencil shading is very carefully. Crayon shading or oil paste shading, once you shading it is wrong little bit, then smudging will be do it's okay. But pencil shading is very careful. Yeah, you follow my hand pencil left to right how to shade. What are it you just see the video very carefully listen. Then you learn something definitely. I sure. Okay, so please do your best. Okay, thank you, children. Then down part also little bit stand, little bit brownish color. Don't do dark brown, little bit light brown used. Then another color, yeah, sunrise. And yellow color, sunrise will be shade everything in the yellow color. In the yellow color. Then, yeah, the children listen carefully. Left hand side little bit, your frame will be little big size. That means this is a perspective view technique. Yeah, your nearest view little bit big size, your long view little bit small size. So this is a concept perspective view. So don't anything think about negative. So this is a way. That means you any one picture in front of you, first picture will be big size, long perspective view, that picture will slowly small size. Okay, that is a perspective view, eye level contact. So follow this concept how to do in color pencil nature drawing, particularly beach perspective view in the specs. Then frame will be applied red color or pink color or any color right now in available. It's not so many color specs is available, so no issues for color. But sand something and green for a tree, that is a basic colors. I mean tree will be definitely green color, sand will be definitely light brownish, so light brownish white, that is a sand color. So please don't logic mistake don't do. So thank you, children. So once you shading finish, then light and shade. How to make light and shade? Any one side will be light color, another one side opposite dark color. That means in one room, window open, in one side will be dark, another one side will be little bit bright. That's the same concept. Then familiar to light. Then finishing. Finishing is a very important from the art and craft, particularly drawing. So please, you some technique will be light and shade, learn, listen, and do it. That is bigger. Teaching is bigger than listening. Okay, so please listen. That's very good. Then background, that I specs frame inside some class, no, that view you see the anything, that background will be any natures, then frame will be hand, whatever it is there. So please, that's a very good. Then using the same frame color. Okay, then using a light and dark shade, using the black or brown, some. Then background, that inside the specs some glass will be, see some backside will be long, possibly some boats, some man is coming and going. That is a concept. Okay, that is a special for nature drawing of color pencil, step by step. So thank you, children. Then finishing, how to finish. Yeah, that is a then little bit, yeah, shading like that, line shading, some only light blue or red color, or don't any